Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I express my gratitude to the honorable members for expressing their views regarding the demands for grants for the year 1989-90 for the Ministry of Agriculture stock. It is a matter of gratification that most of the honorable members have appreciated and have expressed their satisfaction regarding the working, the achievements and future planning of the Ministry of Agriculture stanza. In the budget for 1988-89, the plan outlay for 1988-89 had been fixed at rupees 700 crores, whereas for this year it has been raised to rupees 800 crores, which is definitely more than the amount of the previous year stock. In this connection, the honorable members have made a mention of a number of schemes stock. They have demanded special programs to be introduced in their respective areas stock. Provisions have been made in this budget stock. This budget provides for assistance for land reforms, for the distribution of fertilizers, assistance to farmers, or for increasing oilseeds production stanza. I want to draw the attention of this esteemed House to certain points which have not been discussed so far. Stop. Last year, the Honorable Prime Minister introduced a special food grains program in the year 1988-89 for increasing agricultural productivity and total agricultural production after making a mid-term appraisal of the 7th five-year plan. Stop. There are 14 main food grains producing states in the country, out of which 169 districts have been selected for it. Stop. Just now, the honorable member from Kerala was saying that no such program has been introduced in his state. Stop. I want to inform him that this program has been introduced only in the main districts of the major food grains producing states because it was a special food grains program, as is clear from its name, and the esteemed House will agree with me that this year we have achieved a record production. Stop. The food grains production is more than 17 crore tons this year. Stop. This is a landmark in the history of this country. Stop. But we should not be satisfied with this achievement. We are going to formulate schemes for further increase in the food grains production during the coming 3 years. Stop. Therefore, for the year 1990-91, the target for increasing the production of wheat and rice has been fixed at 5 million tons. Stop. Our department has already stated taking steps in this regard, and I can say that we will be able to achieve the target fixed. Stanza. I would like to make a brief mention of the major aspects of this year's budget. Stop. Several honorable members have expressed their views in the matter. Stop. Firstly, the percentage of bank loans in the agriculture sector is being increased from 17% to 18%. Stop. An additional amount of rupees 4,000 crores will be given as loans. Stop. The rate of interest has been reduced from 14% to 12%. Full stop. Over.